quietly empowering the people. The Black Secret.
There's also heritage in terms of government and government structure. Let me read you some of the West African governmental positions that used to exist in 16th century Songhai. We have Governor of Komina, Chief of the Summit, Superintendent over the Empire, Deputy in charge of floods, Director of the Port of Kabara, General Supervisor of the Palace, Royal Secretary, Chief of Etiquette and Protocol, Chief of Salaries, Chief of Purchasing, Chief of Punishment, Griot, Office of Engineers who was responsible for public works, Commissary of Police for Timbuktu, Generalissimo, Military Lieutenant, Military Person, Chief of Pirogues, Chief of the Flotilla, Master of the Cavalry. So we have government positions that sound very similar to what you would have in a modern civilization, including Chief of Etiquette and Protocol. As ever, if you want more information, click on the link below to subscribe to our course and join the most powerful Black history course ever put together, aimed at a global audience.
The Black Secret.